In the serene kingdom of Everdale, Queen Althea is admired for her wisdom and kindness. She lives in a grand castle surrounded by vibrant gardens and peaceful meadows. One day, Queen Althea hears a legend about the Fountain of Youth hidden deep in the enchanted forest. It is said to have magical waters that bring eternal youth and vitality. Determined to find the Fountain of Youth to help her people, Queen Althea decides to embark on the journey herself. She prepares for the adventure, gathering a map and a magical amulet for protection. Queen Althea enters the enchanted forest, a place filled with mystical creatures and magical plants. The forest is alive with vibrant colors and enchanting sounds. Deep in the forest, Queen Althea encounters the guardian of the forest, a wise and ancient tree spirit named Eldara. Eldara agrees to guide her to the Fountain of Youth. Eldara leads Queen Althea to a hidden path that winds through the heart of the forest. The path is lined with glowing stones and ancient runes that light the way. At the end of the path, they reach the Fountain of Youth, a beautiful, shimmering pool of water surrounded by ancient trees and flowers that glow with magical energy. Queen Althea gently dips her hands into the Fountain of Youth, feeling the magical energy flow through her. She gathers some of the water in a crystal vial to take back to her kingdom. Queen Althea returns to Everdale with the vial of magical water. She uses the water to heal the sick and bring vitality to her people, bringing joy and prosperity to the kingdom. Thanks to the magical water from the Fountain of Youth, Everdale enters a new era of prosperity and happiness. Queen Althea continues to rule with wisdom and grace, her adventure becoming a cherished story in the kingdom.